Make money online through these top tips. Are you unemployed or just having trouble making ends meet? Then you have come to the right video to help you. In fact, this video won't just help you, but allow you to think positively about your online earning future. After all, you don't need to be employed by a corporation to pay your bills. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Most people overlook online earning opportunities due to the simple fact that they don't even know that it exists. Many are missing out on the perfect way to supplement their incomes or to buy extra things just because they aren't open to new methods of earning money. However, you are off to a good start because this video has given you sound advice to get started. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.